Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM card in Vivo Y75 5G smartphone. Without a further ado, let's get started. So in the Vivo Y75 5G smartphone, the SIM tray is located at the top. So you need to insert the SIM ejector pin into the hole nearby the SIM tray. So this is a hole. You need to insert the SIM ejector tool. Now you need to pull out the SIM tray. So this one is a hybrid SIM tray. You can use two SIM cards at a time, or you can use one SIM card and another one memory card. So I will use one SIM card and memory card here. So I will insert the SIM. I will lay down the SIM into the SIM tray facing upwards. Then I will insert the SD card also. Now facing upwards, you need to insert this setup into the phone. Now waiting for the signal. Now signal is came. Also SD card also working now. You can open with files. Message is also come from the operator. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.